Harmony XPE and 9002AW Foot Switches Briefing. This document is an introduction to the Harmony XPE Foot Switches. You will see Introduction to Foot Switches, Offer Presentation, Unique Value of these offers, Targeted Applications, and finally you'll have a quiz to assess your understanding of this training. Harmony Offer Overview, Foot Switches and Two-Hand Control Ranges by Schneider Electric. What is a foot switch used for? A foot switch is a control unit which is operated on machines or systems where tasks using the hands are not possible for ergonomic or safety reasons. For example, the machine operator may need to hold a tool, a piece of metal, another actuator, or any necessary device. In some applications, such as power presses, additional operator protection such as point-of-operation guarding must be provided when a foot switch is used as an actuator. Foot switches are particularly suited for start and stop operations as well as adjustment tasks. The control of two-speed machines as well as hold-to-run machine cycles are also possible. XPE and 9002AX Foot Switch Ranges. A comprehensive offer for any requirements. Offer Panorama. Range values. Robustness in harsh environments. Protection by design, positive opening operations. Compactness and comfort. Foot switches for diverse applications. The range of foot switches is used in all environments from light-duty to heavy-duty ones. They are installed on very different types of machine, among which Thank you.